Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. Folks, we are going to be talking CKB in today's video. But before we do, check me out on Twitter at Real6Fig. This is where things get juicy. This is where I drop little bits of information, updates, upcoming videos, charts, things like that when I'm going live. All sorts of good stuff. Big shout out to Nervous Network and all of the team. They have announced that Godwoken is now live on the sandbox. So this is huge for Ethereum developers to bring their dApps onto Nervous Network. Why wouldn't they want to? I mean, it's just a no-brainer. People are sick of Ethereum gas fees, and this might be the door that opens the floodgates to Nervous Network. So with that said, they tweeted out this killer video. Give it a follow, give it a look, check them out. One quick note, at 8:30 p.m. Central Time today, I will be going live on Crypto Airborne's YouTube channel. You can follow him at Crypto_Airborne or on his YouTube channel, Crypto Airborne. So with that said, we will be doing some interesting things coming up. But for now, that is where I'll be at 8:30 p.m. Central Time tonight. I am a little bit late making a video today, but better late than never, right? So business is business, and I must tend to my business needs that pay the bills before this. So with that said, let's just kind of look at where this thing is going. We can see the lows are still getting higher, but we are kind of starting to see the shift in momentum if we go to the 1 hour chart. And before we were kind of seeing more along the lines of, I want to say like this descending triangle. And we definitely could still be seeing this. I think at this point it could really either go either way. But I think we could make the argument that this could still be in effect, or we are seeing this symmetrical triangle really put a chokehold on price action as well. So this is going to get really spicy really quick, because if you look at this, price action is squeezing. And we've been squeezing since October 19th-ish. Maybe, right about October 19th. You can see price has gone nowhere. And we can see the highs getting lower, the lows pretty much starting to get higher now. So this is the definition of a squeeze textbook. And one thing that I like about this symmetrical triangle that's kind of forming now is that we have seen the lows pick up. So that means people are buying and holding, and that is great to see. So if we would have this still has an opportunity to come back down and recheck the 0.0185, in my opinion, and I would be 100% okay with that as long as we did not break this heavy level of support. So that would be a great move to the upside, but I think people are ready. We've been ready now for a long time, ever since we hit that sweet 4.5 cent mark. I've just wanted a taste of that one more time. And we came so close here back in May and then got ripped off due to Bitcoin and it moving in these crazy erratic ways that it does. Quick note, let's look at CKB on the daily just to see how things are changing. And you can see that it's just spinning top, spinning top, spinning top. I mean, everything is a spinning top dang near. So that is just telling us that the bulls and bears are really playing tug of war. That's all that means. When we start to see these candles with wicks on both sides, that's showing a lot of indecision between the bulls and the bears. So we can see that the bulls are really trying to run this thing up, and the bears just strip the candle back down. So it's going to be an interesting next few days. Currently on the daily chart, we do have a golden cross here. Conversion line is above the baseline. We are above the cloud and forming some sort of possible ascending triangle or symmetrical triangle off a bull flagpole. The question is, do we need to come closer to this cloud to move up? And I want to say we are getting close. Within the next day, I'm hoping that this thing takes off. And what I'm going to be looking for is upward trajectory, but I want to see this cloud really just thin out, like super thin like this. And then I want to see price action come up, move and consolidate towards it. Run up, and then we'll see the cloud kind of do this, and we'll kind of move, in towards this cloud, just like that. And then move up and just keep working our way up the ladder, because that's kind of how that works. Is we move up, we're too far away from the cloud, consolidate, move up, same thing, consolidate, and you can just see the stairway effect that happens. So that is really where we are at in CKB land, folks, and I really wish that there was more I could tell you guys about, but it is becoming a little bit more apparent that there might be some sort of symmetrical triangle forming. With that said, nobody knows till we know. But anyways, I hope you guys had a wonderful day today so far. Big shout out to all the Patreons. Thank you for your support. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon, it's $3 a month. Get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. Thank you guys all so much for supporting. If you could, please hit that like button. It means the world to me, and it's the easiest way to help the channel. So thank you guys.